The 2020 Toyota Supra by AC Schnitzer. The all-new Toyota Supra A90 is an aftermarket tuner's dream, and it hasn't taken long for the world's best tuners to build programs for the returning sports car icon. As you know, AC Schnitzer typically specializes in building aftermarket kits for BMW models, but since the Toyota Supra is a BMW at heart, AC Schnitzer is able to show it some love. AC Schnitzer's program for the sports car is as all-encompassing as it gets. There's a full line of upgrades to the Supra's exterior, interior, engine, and a lot of mechanical parts in between. AC Schnitzer hasn't rolled out the full price list for this new program, but you can bet it won't be cheap. Exterior. A proper AC Schnitzer tuning program wouldn't be complete without any aerodynamic upgrades, and for the Toyota Supra, two important bits are worth mentioning. The first aero part is a black painted front splitter. It's hard to make out when you see the Supra from a distance, but it's clearly visible when you see the sports car up close. Less subtle but no less important is the pair of vents on the hood of the Supra. Those aren't just novelty bits, either. They're important as they relate to the engine upgrade program that AC Schnitzer also prepared for the Toyota sports car. Over in the back is a carbon fiber rear wing that sits on top of the Supra's stock duckbill spoiler. It's a weird visual to see a rear wing sitting on top of a spoiler, but there are aerodynamic benefits to that setup, something that the Supra will also need now that it's packing more power than it otherwise does. A new set of wheels is also available, and this comes with the added benefit of more than one option to choose from. There are two wheel options available, the AC1 and AC3 wheels. Both are 20-inch sets and both are available in either forged silver anthracite, forged anthracite, bicolor, and anthracite. AC Schnitzer's exterior program for the Toyota Supra is far more subtle than the Supra programs presented at the 2019 SEMA Auto Show. This isn't surprising in the least bit, in part because AC Schnitzer has never been the type of tuner that creates over-the-top kits for the sake of making them. The tuner specializes in simple yet effective programs that showcase a car's strengths more than it does make the car look good. Interior. Interior upgrades are kept at the minimum, which is standard operating procedure for AC Schnitzer. The tuner isn't known for creating extensive, model-specific interior upgrades, and that holds true for the Toyota Supra. But there are upgrades available, specifically when it comes to the pedal set and footrest of the Toyota Sports Coupe. An aluminum pedal set is available for the Supra if you want one. An aluminum footrest is likewise available, as is an aluminum cover and a key holder. And that's about it. Okay, so it's not as extensive of an upgrade to the Supra's cabin as some people would want, but it's not for a lack of trying. Like most of its programs for BMW models, AC Schnitzer is far more concerned with improving a model's performance characteristics. If you are interested in a plushier interior, there are other avenues to go to for that, including Toyota itself. The exclusive sports seats, with the two-tone, red and black color scheme, are good examples of special add-ons that Toyota can offer. The seats are dressed in fine leather and there are Alcantara parts covering them, too. Drivetrain. Sitting at the heart of AC Schnitzer's engine upgrade program is a plug-and-play software kit. The software dramatic.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.